Welcome back. Today it's time to build the bed. A spoiler ahead, I will make a second design which will be more convenient and a little bit better, so maybe you can skip this if you really want to have a good inspiration for your own bed. For both designs it's important for me that you can convert the bed into a couch, so that you have also in daytime a little bit of space in the tiny T4. I do this with two wooden boards that you can flip like this. So now it's in sofa mode and in bed mode. Luckily my friend Studi works at the joinery, so I could go there and he cut together some residues, like rest parts that could not be used anymore. I was very glad because wood is maybe one of the most expensive parts of your build. It's a quite basic bed design, but still it was good enough for a year. I went on 2 trips with it and it always worked. The problem with it and the reason why I make a second design is that to convert it from the couch to the bed, you always need to take out the mattress, otherwise there's not enough space. Take out the mattress, flip it and bring in the mattress again. It's maybe a process of 1 or 2 minutes to convert it, but when it's raining or it's cold outside, then it's just unnecessary, as you will see in the second design. So I hope you liked the video. Next up will be probably the solar installation, one of my favorite parts of this build. Thank you and see you soon.